Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the MID function in Excel. This powerful text function allows you to extract a specific number of characters from a text string, starting at a position you specify. The MID function is particularly useful when you need to isolate specific portions of text, such as extracting part numbers, separating names, or isolating codes from longer strings. Let's dive in. Let's understand the syntax of the MID function. Here's what each part means. Text. This is the text string that contains the characters you want to extract. It can be a direct text string enclosed in quotation marks or a reference to a cell containing the text. Start num. This specifies the position of the first character you want to extract. The first character in the text string is considered position 1. Numchars. This represents the number of characters you want to extract from the text string, starting at start num. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of product codes and you want to extract the middle part of each code to identify the product type. Now let's extract the product type from each code. Enter the product codes in cells A1 to A5. Each product code contains 3 parts separated by hyphens, and we want to extract the middle part, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 56, 7, 8, 9, etc. In cell B1, we'll enter the formula equals MIDI A153 to extract 3 characters starting from the 5th character in the text string in cell A1. Press Enter, and Excel will return 123, which is the middle part of the first product code. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will return 456, 789, 012, and 345 for the subsequent cells, respectively. Now let's consider a scenario where you have a list of full names and you want to extract the initials for each name. Now let's extract the initials from each name. Enter the full names in cells A1 to A5. In cell B1, enter the formula equals MID A111 and MID A1 find quotation mark space quotation mark A1 plus 11 to extract the first character of the first name and the first character after the space, which is the start of the last name. Press Enter, and Excel will return JD, which are the initials for John Doe. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will return MJ, AS, RB, and ED for the subsequent cells, respectively. The MD function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Use MID to extract specific parts of a text string, such as product codes, customer IDs, or order numbers. It is useful for cleaning and managing text data by isolating specific data points from longer text strings. MID can also help in reporting to create formatted outputs, such as extracting initials or creating custom labels.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.